Welcome to Tomorrowland.
Hi, hello, welcome back to my Shadow Beats. I'm your Pallavi. Welcome back to a new vlog from my South of France and Tomorrowland series. It was amazing 3 days in Paris, then 3 days in Marseille, and now we are leaving from Marseille to Belgium, Antwerp for our Tomorrowland. वैसे तो एक sad news हमने कल सुनी that Tomorrowland का जो main stage है उसमें आग लग गई है, but I'm sure they are going to figure out something and we are really excited. So there are different ways how you can go from Marseille to Tomorrowland or to Belgium. Either you take a train from Marseille to Paris and then change. There's no direct train. So we are going the other way. Sachin figured out some way where we have to change 2 trains, but we are going to save £100 per person. That's a big saving, massive saving we are doing. I'm gonna tell you, explain you the entire thing, how we saved this much money in our journey. So make sure you watch this video till the end. Let's start this vlog, guys. Here we come, Tomorrowland.
So we are at the station, Marseille, St. Charles. From Marseille station, we are taking the train to Lily Flandres, which is basically Paris का end part, and फिर वहाँ से हम लेंगे Eurostar to Belgium. हाँ, Belgium पहुँच के we have to take bus to reach Antwerp, which is like 40 minutes or 1 hour. Now we have arrived in Flandres और अब यहाँ से हमारा इमिग्रेशन होगा because we are going to cross borders, we are going to Belgium. So that was the local station. From the Lily Flandres station, it's a 7 minutes walk to the international station, from where we'll get the Eurostar to Belgium. So station is pretty crowded. We just have 45 minutes to do everything, like walk to the international station and then change the train. Global journey package. Everyone here is from Tomorrowland, like 95%. Hello. Thank you. This is the Marriott Hotel in Brussels, which comes under the package of Global Journey, Tomorrowland. So Antwerp or Brussels made Tomorrowland के time most of the hotels are taken by Tomorrowland, क्योंकि Tomorrowland में बहुत सारे global journey packages होते हैं जहाँ पे आपको ट्रैवल प्लस होटल प्लस यूरोप ट्रिप होता है या तो फिर ट्रैवल प्लस होटल होता है. सो ऐसे पैकेजेस वो सेल करते हैं. सो ये पूरा का पूरा होटल उनका है. सो दिस इज़ मैरियट इन ब्रसेल्स. ये लास्ट डे में शाइनी और शांतु ने एक दिन रुके थे. सो आई थॉट ऑफ लाइक जस्ट स्टिचिंग दिस क्लिप हियर सो यू विल गेट लाइक Tomorrowland Global Journey newspaper, and then यहाँ पे ये सारे shuttles के time है जो होटल से निकलते हैं. Everything in the hotel is like with the theme of Tomorrowland logo. Then Tomorrowland के Global Journey के इन लोगों ने sections बना रखे हैं. Friendship Lounge. Also यहाँ पे ऐसे sections होते हैं जहाँ पे people come and they get ready together just like salons. In general, Global Journey is expensive. Also, like when you buy Tomorrowland Global Journey packages, आपके जितने लोग जा रहे हैं, let's say if you're buying 4 tickets, you have to literally give all the 4 tickets then and there. You can't like just buy the tickets without name and details and then आपको बाद में personalize करना पड़ता है, जैसे कि आप general में करते हो, जैसे कि हमने किया हुआ है. हमने tickets buy की है and then there was a deadline for personalization जो हमने personalize किया. But Tomorrowland Global Journey में it doesn't work like that. Surprise packages में it doesn't work like that. Friendship packages में doesn't work like that. You have to personalize then and there. But in any case, if you're not able to make it, so April end तक आपका कुछ time रहता है where you can change the name of the person who is going. But you have to pay an extra 350 euros per person ka fees to change that name. Basically it's called name change fees. So now we are at Brussels railway station, normal one which goes around, and from here it's a long journey now. 1 घंटे की train है because it's a slow train, and then we are going to reach Antwerp where we have booked our Airbnb. We have reached Antwerp Central and यहाँ से हमारी Airbnb is around 20 minutes की walk. Stage जल गया but energy is really high for everyone, whoever we met in train as well. They are also super excited and for us it is our first Tomorrowland, so हम तो भैया बहुत excited है. Oh no, elevator. The stairs are like so steep. 3rd floor पे है हमारी apartment and then we have to carry all big luggages. इधर पता नहीं क्या है. So right when we enter, right side there is one room. It's a 2 BHK
Airbnb. So this is one room with twin beds. यहाँ पे आपका थोड़ा सा सामान है. And then this side you have this washroom, toilet basically. And here is the shower. I think this is the shower ka button. Yeah, so here is the shower. Then this is the other room. So there's no hall and all stuff. So this with a cupboard with a TV. Very small.
The guy, are you calling him? Yeah. What all thing again? Just ask him to get us another fan.
I have one question then. Shantu,
Yeah.
do you want to take the double bed and then we can sleep perpendicularly, you, me, then?
During Tomorrowland, everything is very expensive in Brussels, in Antwerp, क्योंकि यहाँ से Tomorrowland is just like 20 minutes train ride and then उसके बाद 15 मिनट का walk है, but due to crowd they make it like 45 minutes. But yeah, because of the festival it's super crowded, so for this we have paid 1200 euros for 3 days for a 2-bed, like such a small apartment. That's how Europe works, and especially when it's Tomorrowland.
So this is our getting ready table. We have all the accessories, jewelry, tattoos kept here, and ये ऊपर वाले section में light भी काफ़ी अच्छी है. And also we will get our own space and own time to get ready. So this is the best part of this apartment. So today's outfit is a sari, और उसका blouse मैंने घर पे खुद से बनाया है सचिन के साथ मिलके. It was all like handmade with putting a lot of charms and stick-ons. So उसके लिए मैंने ये look सोचा है जहाँ पे I'll just put a long braid, और इसमें मैं similar sort of charms लगाऊंगी जैसे कि मैंने अपने blouse में लगाया है, because I really want to make this a look of gold and black. क्योंकि मेरी साड़ी black है and this is the golden blouse. I wanted to represent my roots India in a western way, इसलिए मैंने जो साड़ी है बहुत ही अलग तरीके से पहनी है, जहाँ पे मैंने इसको थोड़ी सी as a half draped skirt की तरह pair up किया है. And जो पूरा look होगा, this will be a fusion look. की modern minis होती हैं, टीका नहीं लगाया है but kind of chains डाले हैं. Then गले में I love jewelry, so I've stacked a lot of like western mixing the desi essence with contemporary. It's so fun to get ready when you are with your friends and all the girls are in the room. जैसे कि शादी में हम जब साथ में तैयार होते तो बड़ा मज़ा आता था. Even in my college days, in my MBA days, I used to live with like we used to live like I used to live with 4 other girls, 4 of my. Even in my MBA days, I used to live with 4 of my friends, all girls, and then we used to have so much fun during, you know, going out or parties, getting ready together. So this is my final look. So let me know in the comments अगर आपको मेरा look अच्छा लगा तो. So अभी हम अपने Airbnb के पास से we are going to take a bus, and then bus से हम जा रहे हैं station, Antwerp station. Antwerp station से we are going to take the local train to Boom. So Boom is the closest station to Tomorrowland main stage, Tomorrowland जहाँ पे होता है. And then station से you have somewhere around like 45 minutes of walk to enter the festival.
Because of the fire, जो main stage पूरा जल गया है, they are starting at 2 instead of 12, and main stage is gonna be up by 4. Cheers! Entrance gate where they check the bags and the backpacks. You're not allowed to carry any drink or food items inside.
This is the main Tomorrowland entrance, और यहीं पे आपके scanners रहते हैं जहाँ आपका bracelet scan होता है. So when you buy tickets, you have 2 options. Either you can pick up your bracelet at the Tomorrowland festival on day 1, or either you can just get it delivered at your home. So हमने अपने घर पे मंगाया था, उसके थोड़े extra courier charges होते हैं. And at the entrance you have a lot of different packages के different counters है जहाँ पे आप अपना Tomorrowland bracelet pick up कर सकते हो with your ID cards and also activate it then and there. So after you buy ticket, there is a timeline जहाँ पे आपको अपनी हर ticket को personalize करना होता है, which is basically your own personal details and or whoever is going. So each bracelet that gets delivered is linked with that specific person that will only belong to you, and आपको scan करना पड़ेगा for entry and a lot of other places as well. So आपकी ID and everything will be there. Plus do not lose your bracelet, because that's the main thing you need to have. Once the bracelet is activated, you can't change it, you can't lose it, and you cannot share it. So each bracelet belong to the specific person, personal use, and आप resell नहीं कर सकते हो, आप किसी को दे नहीं सकते हो. Plus every time you scan your bracelet, your ID also comes up for the person to analyze. They can also randomly check and ask you for your ID cards. So make sure You do not personalize your bracelet on somebody else's name. Now we are heading to our first stage, which is Melodia, as sponsored by Corona. So ये वाले stage से you get a really nice view of the lake and also the dragon stage जो यहीं से दिखता है. Plus हम dragon stage पे भी जाएंगे बाद में. There will be plenty of food and drinks options. Every stage has their own food counters and there are like few common ones, but पूरे festival में आपको जितने भी counters है सब जगह अलग अलग खाना मिलेगा. Food and drinks are of course little pricey because you are at a festival and inside the festival and you cannot use cash or card. You have to add pearls to your bracelet, which is basically a kind of online money, e-money you can say, so that your bracelet becomes a wallet where you buy the pearls and you can pay using those pearls. So every food item, let's say if it's a water, it will have like some certain number of pearls that you can use to buy it. Apart from the food counters, there are a lot of like fine dine restaurants as well that you need to pre-book और इसकी भी एक deadline होती है and उसके भी slots निकलते हैं and it goes very quickly. Also 3 days before the festival starts, Tomorrowland sends you an email to recharge your bracelets and add pearls. So अगर आप वो deadline के पहले add करते हो तो आपको कुछ extra bonus pearls मिलते हैं. Otherwise you can always keep recharging your pearls, like you add money to your wallet like Google Pay or something. This is second stage which is called comfort stage and हम अभी VIP area में है. ऊपर और नीचे जो आप देख रहे हो that's a general access and this area has its own bar. And now we are heading towards the third stage जो आपको white वाला दिख रहा है वहाँ पे. This stage has the fountains as well and उसकी जो music होती है उसको उन्होंने sync करके रखा है fountain के साथ. But the stage looks really pretty at night when the lights and the fountains just like dance on the music. Tomorrowland के अंदर बहुत सारे pop-ups and experiences होते रहते हैं like this one. This one is a floating boat sponsored by Old Spice and basically it's a dancing boat. इस boat में एक DJ होगा so you have to board on one side and this Tomorrowland का एक बड़ा सा lake है वो cross करके you go other side. But this boat is basically accessible by both the ends. You can see that's the main stage, Jali Hui, and we are partying at a boat here.
They have Snickers ice cream.
See the bun stage. See the bun stage, right? This side got burned, right side.
नहीं पूरा ना this and that पूरा बन हुआ है.
This is the main entrance guys. ये जो पूरा एरिया देख रहे हो आप ये मेन एंट्रेंस का है. प्लस वी ऑल्सो हैव दिस कम्फर्ट एरिया वो जो आपको सामने बॉक्सेस दिख रहे हैं. सो Tomorrowland हैज़ डिफरेंट पैकेजेस बट लुक एट दिस स्टेज गाइज. द स्टेज वॉज बर्न्ड येस्टरडे. मतलब एक दिन में 24 hours, I think not even 24 hours, less than 24 hours they put up a new stage and look at this is insane. Of course जैसा Tomorrowland का यूजुअल स्टेज होता है वैसा नहीं है but oh my god this is insane. And we are also going to Tomorrowland Belgium 2026, so do come after the first weekend to check out those vlogs as well and see like how the main stage looks like this time. VIP is called Comfort and ये जो है ये main stage का comfort area है और यहाँ पे आपको बीच बीच में कुछ ऐसे food भी आते रहते हैं nibbles, but the price difference for food and drinks inside the VIP area plus outside in general is pretty ह्यूज, लाइक जो बियर आपको बाहर 9 पाउंड की मिलेगी वो VIP में आपको 14-15 पाउंड की मिलती है। The outfit is already a hit guys. I am slaying. मतलब मुझे इतने सारे लोगों के compliments मिल चुके हैं. Plus this guy, he basically made a heart and then gave me a bracelet. Plus also there was this other lady who was from UK and then she complimented me. So ऐसे बहुत सारे compliments मुझे मिले. I'm very happy. Now this is another stage which is called comfort deck और यहाँ पे सिर्फ जो ये आपको स्टेज दिख रहा है, the entrance, this is basically for the comfort people, VIP people के लिए. यहाँ पे एक स्विमिंग पूल भी है, plus there's general access on the left hand side.
Maybe something's gonna take you away. You get weak on me, I'm needing your love.
For day one, the closing song was Martin Garrix and it was so amazing. Though the main stage was all burnt, but then still, look at the crowd, look at the energy. We all are united. Love united, love tomorrow.
People of tomorrow. It is here where all emotions will be captured, united in melody and rhythm. A message of hope. Cause you're a star, cause you're a star, full of stars. Only so I want to take a moment to make the biggest shout out to Tomorrowland, to every single person who made this stage happen.
Day one is done guys. Last set जो होता है वो 12 बजे तक होता है and 12 बजे के बाद people start leaving.
Worst part of any festival.
वापस आपको बूम स्टेशन आना पड़ता है टू गो टू ब्रसल्स और एंटवर्प, जहाँ भी आपका होटल है. और इफ़ यू आर स्टेइंग इन बूम देन दैट्स अ डिफरेंट थिंग. सो स्टेशन इज़ पैक्ड, द ट्रेन्स आर पैक्ड, क्योंकि सब एक टाइम पे ही लीव कर रहे होते हैं, रादर देन जब हम लोग जाते हैं तभी पीपल लीव एट डिफरेंट टाइम. लेस क्राउडेड, प्लस जर्नी टू एंटवर्प फ्रॉम बूम इज़ 20 minutes.
Day 1 done. All set for day 2.
दिस इज़ माई आउटफिट फॉर डे 2. यहाँ पे सबसे मज़ेदार चीज़ें जहाँ मैंने पिंक हेयर लगाए हैं, प्लस ब्लू आई शेडो मैचिंग विद माई स्कर्ट एंड ऑल द सिल्वर ज्वेलरीज प्लस स्टिकर्स.
So day 1 was insanely amazing. मज़ा आया, मतलब apart from all the walking that we did at the end. I'm excited and ready for day 2.
We are using the same way of transportation, taking a bus to Antwerp station and then वहाँ से a train to Boom and then Boom से walking. Around 15 minutes before the main entrance, there is this grocery shop जहाँ से आप food and drinks ले सकते हो, but nothing is allowed to take inside.
So guys, day 1 में जो हमको टिकट मिली थी वो हमने खुद से ली थी, and day 2 and 3 की we did buy from the StubHub and Viagogo. Viagogo और StubHub दोनों देखा था. So in London we were trying to buy Viagogo and StubHub was expensive as compared to US. So US पे थोड़ी सस्ती मिली टिकट, like £100 per person cheaper. US StubHub. So today is the check day कि हमारे साथ स्कैम हुआ है या वी आर ऑल गुड टू डू आवर फेस्टिवल ऑन डे 2 and 3, बिकॉज हमने डे 2 and 3 दोनों ही StubHub से खरीदा है. बिकॉज इट्स अ रीसेल टिकट, सो यू हैव टू कम टू द काउंटर्स फॉर ब्रेसलेट पिकअप.
We did not get scammed and we got in, guys. As I told you on day 1, food and drinks are pretty expensive. So this is one chicken burger which we have taken for €15 and 2 slices of pizza is for €12.
Yo, multi-family Tomorrowland. I'm here with my son, Ghost Jr. Make some noise.
This is basically the post office of Tomorrowland, from where you can literally write letters and send postcards to your home. So हमने भी बहुत सारे postcards भेजे थे, इसमें से सिर्फ 2 जगह आया, London and US, and it never went to India. This is again a very different section, different stage के पास, Coke Studio के पीछे, and here these are the restaurants that you see, they are the Michelin star. And this one is the iconic Tomorrowland shaped waffles, Belgian waffles. Alan Walker in the house, guys. Alan Walker. और आज हम कंफर्ट डेस्क पे नहीं, जबकि मेन स्टेज के पास जाके सबके साथ रेव करेंगे. एंड वी रियलाइज इट टुडे दैट व्हेन यू हैव VIP एंड व्हेन यू हैव कंफर्ट, यू ऑलवेज टेंड टू गो टू द VIP एरियाज, जो कि थोड़ा सा दूर रहता है और आपको इतना मज़ा नहीं आता है. वर्सेस अगर आप जनरल टिकट लेते हो देन यू कम क्लोजर टू द स्टेज. The more early you come, the more closer you can get. But anyways, the real raving fun is here only, in between all these people dancing. And VIP mein it's like little chilled out, and a lot of people are just relaxing and watching it from the far. But this is the real fun of Tomorrowland.
Here tonight, quickly everybody, hands up, versus hands up, hands up. Let's get a public photo right here.
And नेक्स्ट वी हैव अनीमा. वैसे इसके जितने भी सेट्स होते हैं दे आर ऑल विजुअल बेस्ड, बहुत ही 3D इफेक्ट्स होते हैं, बट विथ मेन स्टेज बीइंग बर्न्ड he did pull up a good show, and he did pull up, right? I don't know, he's trying, but whatever he's doing, we are here for Tomorrowland, love United, and it is just super fun. Today is so good, just with the love, for the love of music. Next set is again at the main stage with Dimitri Vegas. As I told you, there are n number of counters for food and drinks in Tomorrowland, and हर section में अलग अलग counters होते हैं. So this is the section which is right behind the main stage where you have this Indian curry counter. We ended up eating at this place very often क्योंकि वो ऐसे rice bowls देता है with chicken, with veg.
Thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. Stay safe.
My day 3 look, where I am wearing a pearl headband, basically जो cap जैसी लग रही है, plus I'm wearing a very golden chain bralette paired up with a brown skirt.
Shop is since 1905.
Okay.
Best waffles in Belgium, Antwerp. Start eating.
It's a rainy weather today. आज देखो सुबह इतनी बारिश हो रही है, plus it's also supposed to rain throughout the whole day at night as well. तो ये जो poncho है ये आपको वहाँ पे बाहर ऐसे मिलते हैं, but 10 यूरो के मिल रहे हैं. So I would recommend, if you have your own raincoats or ponchos, please do carry them, because Tomorrowland में बारिश तो होती ही है. Now we are going to Encore Club, Encore stage, and ये जंगल के बीच में है, and this is my favorite. This was my favorite. और हमने ये last day किया था, and then we had a regret कि हमने भाई इसको ज़्यादा क्यों नहीं किया.
Dear people of tomorrow, prepare yourselves to embark on a unique journey of the Symphony of Joy. In the experience room, prepare for your collective Symphony of Joy.
अगेन दिस इज़ अनदर सेक्शन. ये आपका जो ड्रैगन स्टेज है उससे अगर आप राइट जाओगे सो इट इज़ इन बिटवीन द ड्रैगन स्टेज एंड द कोक स्टूडियो. सो यहाँ पे यू हैव योर फाइन डाइनिंग रेस्टोरेंट्स विद दैट यू हैव टू बुक बिफोर and it just gets sold out very quickly. And this is a grilled chicken with potatoes. This was also one of our favorites.
god, that was insane. मैंने डेविड गेटा को पहली बार Ibiza में सुना था when I went Ibiza for the first time, me, Sachin and Shraddha, and today he was incredibly amazing, and of course it was Tomorrowland and then Messi was his new song. So it was such a fun first experience of Tomorrowland. I'm definitely going to come back again. We see you next year hopefully, but I hope you guys liked this video, enjoyed it, because we enjoyed a lot. It is a festival that you should experience once in a lifetime. This year also we are coming to Tomorrowland in 2026 Belgium for weekend 1, so see you guys there. This time the vlog is going to come before weekend 2. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully if you are watching and planning your trip to Tomorrowland, you get some tips and tricks, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Follow My Shadow Beats on Instagram. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll see you soon. Until then, thank you. Bye-bye.